Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to today market review with the market all over the place. Once again, we are watching live right now SPY making new lows on the day and already below yesterday lows with the action all over the place. We're seeing small caps going down, we're seeing Nasdaq, we're seeing Dow Jones fading from highs. We're seeing SP 500 at the lows of the day. So bears in control right now, fading every rip higher and pushing the market once again into lower lows. So we are right now making lower highs, lower lows from since Monday when we hit 394 on SPY was the big level, okay? And right now what we have a failed breakout and pushing back down. On Monday we retest 394 on the SPY, not able to go above. Yesterday we tried once again and printed lower high. Okay, 393.5 versus 394, lower high. Today once again lower high. So we are making lower highs, lower lows, and already below yesterday lows. So let's see where the action will take us. Right now I'm in cash and waiting for new setups. We are getting a little bit oversold. Oversold can remain oversold and we can go lower from here. Yes, we can, but I usually don't like to short the lows. And I gave plenty of trades today on SPY puts, either for today, for Friday, for next week, swing long trades on the SPYs, on the cubes, put edges going into for more downside. We are seeing the action. Let's move here into the cubes. Exactly the same thing. Okay, exactly the same thing. We break below the 8-day moving average and we're looking for 310, 311 as possible next target. On the cubes, one of the things that I told you, and one of the possible scenarios would be an inverse head and shoulders, okay? But one of the things that I also told you yesterday is that for the inverse head and shoulders, we need above 321 yesterday highs to go and try to go above 324. And one of the things and yellow flags that we were making and yesterday, lower high. From lower high, we should expect lower lows. So right now, very, very tricky action, looking for possible breakdown below 310. We have 309 as possible next target. If you break below that, watch out, going back into $300. So very, very tricky action right now with the bears in control. Small caps all over the place, new lows on the day, and every rip going down. Okay, so let's follow the SPYs having right now some selling acceleration. Market red, intraday market red is on the red. It was green early in the morning. It's right now on the red. Volume red is on the red. So selling pressure picking up, and we should see lower prices, in my opinion. Okay, so the puts for today, puts 390, gave you at 80 cents right now, $1.90. Okay. Puts for today, if you are holding those puts, trim the hell out of the profits. Those puts 390 gave you at 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents. They expire in a couple of minutes. Right now are at $2. Okay, $2. You trim the hell out of the profits. We have possible target at 387 Friday lows. Let's see if it's going to hold, or if we break below, watch out, 384, 385 is the next level. So don't forget, trim profits. You can roll into longer expirations, okay? And I also gave for Friday puts 392. They gave for Friday, this Friday, 392, gave it $2.50 right now. they are at $4.60. So trim profits, keep rolling the momentum, keep rolling those puts, trim profits on the way. And my own risk management says that trim profits on the way. Get in, get out. I already, in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to talk about one of the most beautiful shorts that I had is here, and it was on Intel. Made me lots of profits. I usually, those that know, those traders that are with me for some time, though that I trade for a living, so I get in, get out. I try to reduce my risk, and what can I say? It was one of the most beautiful days that I had this month, with the put scalp out of the gate on Intel, and Intel giving back, let's see here, more than $5. Okay, so it's 67.44, and right now at the lows $60, about to lose $60. If I was going to bet on this kind of big candle engulfing several days, I believe that the stock should go all the way into the $59-$60 area next, and below that who knows what the hell is going to happen. So we are going to the bell right now, 2 minutes for the close. Let's see the SPY is going down. If you remember, today I got long shares. AMWL got shares, see here, going into the high of today, $18.76 going into the highs of today. I got in, get out, generate my cash flow. See here, relative strength, that's where you look for possible relative strength on the market. You see that the market is rolling over, and you see AMWL going up. Saw bullish options activity early in the morning. Those longs are working very well. Trim profits on the way. Congratulations everyone. So let's see, 1 minute and 40 seconds into the close. Let's see if we are able to trade out 387.15. We are right now 387.80. So below 387.15 we can go all the way into 384, 385, and watch out, those puts 390. Okay, 390 gave you 80 cents. Right now they are at $2.30. So congratulations to all the traders. Keep trimming the profits, and the momentum is far down, and keep trimming your profits, because no one really knows what tomorrow is going to happen. Are we going to have a big gap down all the way here, or even lower, or are we going to keep the range as we see today, and bouncing from oversold conditions? Once again, we are getting oversold. Relative strength indicators, all the main indicators are oversold, and I suggest that you trim the hell out of the profits. 35 seconds into the close, trim the profits and go back into the cash. You know that's what I'm doing. I want to protect my cash overnight, so I'm full cash and getting ready for tomorrow action. If we open gap down here, and we may try a reversal bounce up. If we opened up here and looking to see if we are going to take today lows of the day and go into 384. So staying open minded, best thing to do. 10 seconds into the close. Trim profits on the way, and roll. If you are hedging the position, roll into longer expirations next month, give you some more time, because the bears have control on the ball, and we are going, and we close right at the lows of the day. So congratulations everyone, it was an amazing day, all those put edges paying. Okay, so I gave plenty of puts edges on the SPY. Gave for today puts 390. Okay, puts 390, 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents. They are right now at $2, and you can still close. Okay, SPY puts, you can still close, because we have after hours on options on the SPY, so you can close right now at $2.60 from 80 cents all the way into $2.60, so you can close it right now. I gave puts for Friday 392 at $2.50, and right now they are at $4.95. Okay, $4.95. Let's see, for 95 cents, so almost 100% for profits, and you still have time. Is for Friday. I gave cubes puts, okay, lots of swings into next week. Every single put is in the money, locking very nice profits. Okay, so congratulations everyone. So going back and review the most beautiful trade that I had, one of on the short side, okay, on the short side, I believe this is the best short that I had this year, okay. Honestly, I had some shorts in the past. Usually, I don't. I'm more on the long side, but today I decided to jump into heavily, okay, heavily on the puts on Intel, out of the gate, okay, out of the gate. I got puts 67.5, okay, put 67.5. And why? Because I was looking for a fading from $67. So basically, I got in the money put 67.5, looking for a move down. And why the hell did I got those puts? One of the things, for those that follow, you can follow Stock Chart channel, okay, on Discord, Stock Chart channel. Every single day from Monday to Thursday, between 4 and 5 a.m. in the morning US time, I share my charts and the trading plan for each chart. Okay, if that happens, I will do this. If that happens, I will do that. And one of the things that I shared about Intel, it was this week I saw a double top here, okay, around $66.3 area, double top. And yesterday it closed right at the lows. One of the things that made me think and look on this trade was basically the after hours pump that we saw on Intel, going with the stock closing yesterday lows, and a big short squeeze trying to kick the shorts out early in the morning. So when I start seeing that the market was not that strong, looking for some other names, looking for Apple, looking for Facebook, looking for AMD, Nvidia, some other names on the semis, they were actually kind of weak. So one of the things that I see was the possible for give back the gains, fill the gap, and from here we would evaluate. Okay, so first target was to fill the gap, okay, and going all the way into 66.3. 66.3 was my level. Why? It was when it was rejected for the double top, and when I saw it break down, I start trimming profits, and when I start seeing the breakdown, the target would be first the 8-day moving average around 63.5, and it hit 63.5 very nicely. And you see that the stock spent lots of time here, but when I start seeing the stock roll over, I immediately said that my next target would be 62.5, and below that the next target 59.8, between 59 and $60 area. So it was a beautiful trade. Basically today action engulfed, okay, engulf several days action, okay, every single day here, with lots of pain between bulls and bears, going up, going down, going up, going down, from one day to the other, finally paying off today. Congratulations to everyone. It made me basically all the money, all the cash flow on Monday. I told you that it was one of the hardest days that I had this month, Monday. It was very tricky for me. It was very hard to generate some cash flow. Yesterday I got very nice cash flow. You can review. I explained the details how I generate cash flow on Google, on Tesla put scalped Tesla twice. On those put scalps. Those put scalps keep paying. Today I played with some scalps also on Tesla, okay, playing for an oversold bounce. I play this bounce here, okay, I play this bounce here. It gave me very nice cash flow. I get in here at call 650 and start buying, and trimming profits on the way up, closed everything when it hit the 8-day moving average, and it was the wise thing to do. Why didn't I flip to the other side? because basically I made the money for the day, week, and month. So I respect the rules, okay? One of the things that I'm trying to avoid is over trading, okay? And I believe it worked very, very well. So I made the money on Tesla and on those call scalps. I made money with Intel. What a beauty. What can I say? It was one of the perfect shorts. And one of the things that I told you, for those that like to swing long, okay, for longer expiration, I told you to hold over those contracts, those puts, to hold over into lower prices, lower strikes, and longer expiration. So for those, once again, I try to help everyone the best I can. I'm a day trader, okay? I don't swing long trade, okay? So I'm a day trader. I trade for a living. I trade for cash flow on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. That's what I'm looking. But I know that you may day trade as me, but you can also want some swing long trades. That's why I give during the day at trade ideas, I give plenty of swing long trade ideas to help everyone. And one of the things that I share is keep rolling those puts into lower prices and longer expiration. It will give time for you that are swing long trading to generate some more cash flow. For example, Intel, it's lower and it's below $62 into after hours. So you can have more time, because a candle like this makes a lot of damage. Okay, so I'm expecting a possible more downside in the weeks and months ahead on Intel. Also on this one, I generate some cash flow. One of the trades got me stopped. I believe it was here. Okay, I got stopped on this candle. Okay, I got stopped on this candle. I believe I got this one. I held the position. I was looking here to hold, but on this move, on this candle, I got stopped, and I got back in here. And on this candle here, I trim profits, okay, some of the profits. On the second one, I got stopped also, but see that the stock AMWL actually showed some relative strength into the close, and those longs worked very well. So congratulations for those that got into those trades. So let's give another one, okay, another one that I shared, and you can review it, okay, you can review it. Go into the stock chart channel. It's available. You can watch it from 4 to 5 a.m. One of the charts that I gave, VAC, I said that the first target, I put this chart here, okay, exactly with the same levels, okay, exactly with the same levels that you are seeing right now. I said that first target will be around $80 to $83. It will be the first target. And if it breaks below 83, I'll be looking for a move below $80, and gave you the target, okay? The target. 68, between 68 69. The stock closed at $70, and right now after hours already at $69 area, going all the way into the next target. So another beauty, okay? How could you have trade? You know that my level would be around 83. When you see that the stock breaks below 83, you short. You can go with puts, you can go with swing long puts, you can go by shorting the stock. Basically from 83, see that you had $13 from 83 all the way into the close. $13 short here, so congratulations. It was another beautiful short today. So today actually I got very, very nice on the short. It's kind of funny because one of the things that I usually do is getting long, but today I start triggering shorts every single time in lots of names. Another one, Boeing, gave back the gains. Going, I said short the hell out of the Boeing, and it should see lower prices. It worked very, very well today. They bounced it from yesterday, closed at the lows of today. They bounced it, but what happened? Rejected once, twice, three times. Where? 8-day moving average 248, 248. 1, 2, 3 times. Bull strike failed. What happens after fail to break higher. It goes lower, okay? As simple as that. And what you start seeing? You start seeing a low, lower low. You see a high, lower high. From lower high, what you see? Lower low. Lower high, lower low. The damn stock is making lower highs, lower lows. So, and you also know that Boeing, for example, it was one of the stocks that I was bullish last year when the stock was around $110. But right now the stock no longer at $210. It's actually at 240. So, and this month it's 278. So for me, it's time for a pullback, and I'll be looking to buy the dip, yes, but not catching the knife. I don't want to catch the knife. Where this stock can go? Below today lows of today, below 239. Possible targets can go all the way into $227, $230. Below that can go all the way here. So it can give back all the gains that we saw this year. Yes, it can. But once again, I need to see it. Okay. Right now, staying bearish while the stock below $250. Once again, big wall here. If the stock goes somehow, some news, no one really knows, above 250. Big short squeeze is possible. Yes, but right now it's on the bear camp. It's shorting the rips, okay? Bulls trying, but shorting the rips, okay? 3 times, triple intraday top, and goes lower. So it was a beautiful, beautiful trade also. During the day, CCL gave the puts, shared the puts flows, put 27, okay? Put 27 and put 26, okay? Put 27 and put 26. It was here. The puts 27 more than $1. They last trade of the day $2.57. So more than double. The puts 26 were actually, and those ones I remember, at 60 cents. Last trade of the day $1.29. Okay, so more than double also. Another way to generate cash flow. One of the things, if you remember, for those that are with me for some time on the private channel, knows that one of the things early in the month I said that I would be looking for industrials, financials, airlines, cruises to start fading. Okay, why? Because we already had a big run and we were seeing some signs of topping. And it worked well. CCL, topping. Cruises, let's go for more. NCLH, topping. Today, down. Going for the airlines, topping. Going down with potential to go even lower. For example, AAL can go all the way into $20. If it breaks below 20, can go into 18. Delta Airlines, topping. Okay. Big moves, big moves. Big move once again, but topping. Reversal sell, lower high, from lower high, breaks below the 8 moving average, stay below. It's on the short side, okay? And looking for industrials is actually the same thing. CAT, I thought that I was be looking. Here it was bullish, okay? And it played very well after flagging here, recovered the 8 moving average and goes up. But here, printed a bearish reversal signal. Here, breaks below the 80-day. Here, stays below. Here, goes even lower. Oversold bounce. You short the bounce. Today, goes below once again the 8-day moving average. Closed near the lows. Now what? Below $220, watch out. Can go into 209, 210. Okay? So, lots of ways to navigate. The path has not been easy at all. I've been having some hard time. I share with you the difficulty that I had on Monday to generate some cash flow. Okay, but if you have patience, if you have the right risk management, I know that it's not easy. Not easy at all, okay? With this kind of action, for example, on CAT, closed at the lows. Today, boom, short squeeze, low, higher low, high, higher high. Not easy. You look, okay, above the 8-day moving average. It goes up. But what they are doing into the market, shorting the rips. So if it rips up, what you look? You look for the other side of the trade. You look for a possible fade. So you see here that you have the high of the day. After that you have a lower high of the day. You have your bottom What you see that the breaks below and goes into the 8-day moving average. You look for a possible short. What you see the bounce, perfect bounce from the 8-day moving average. And here, prints a lower high. So you short once again. You reinforce your short. Now what? You look, if this is the support, you look to break the support. Breaks the support, you go heavy on the short. And on the way down, you trim profits, okay, on the scalps. That's how you approach to generate cash flow on intraday basis. Once again, with this kind of videos, I try to help, and live sessions at the end of the day, I try to help everyone the best way I can. Once again, I'm setting goals for myself, okay? Reducing the number of trades. Try not over trade. Try to generate cash flow. I set my targets for the day, for the week, and for the month. Basically, today with Intel Trade and the Tesla call scalp, basically made the money for the month. Okay, so I'm good. What can I ask for? I could start overtrading, yes, but when you get overtrading, we start overtrading, you start getting over confidence, okay, and that's when the mistakes start piling up. So I basically I have a very hard Monday, okay, but I'm at the middle of the week, okay, I have more tomorrow, one day left, and I already made money for the week. So why press? Why press trades? Don't press trades, especially when the market not easy, okay? Not easy. We saw here on the SPY, it was amazing. 390 strike. It was amazing. Goes to break. No. They bought the dip, okay? 390 strike. Goes to break. No, they bought. Goes here. Lower high. Goes to break. No, they bought it, okay? Here, goes to break. No, they bought. And once again, shorts. Who is the boss? Shorts are the boss, okay? They break it. The bulls try to retest. They short it once again. So shorts in control, okay? But it was not easy, okay? Never easy. Trading is not easy. Lots of supposed traders, okay, says that make money every single day. On Monday I didn't make money, okay, and I told you it was a hard day for me to generate cash flow, but yesterday and today basically I made the money for the day, for the week, and for the month, so I'm good. Simple as that. You try to cut, and that's what I did on Monday. Try to cut losses fast, okay? Trade going against me, okay, no problem. I was wrong. I don't have any problems to assume that I'm wrong, okay? It's normal to be wrong. What you should not believe is when every single trader says that he's right. It's not okay. It's not normal to be every single time right. You will have losses, okay? The size of the loss is what distinguish traders from each other, okay? So I know it's not easy, okay, to cut when you have a losing. It's not easy, but you either know what you are doing and you have really confidence and you know what you are doing and start adding more size to the position, or you can have, from a bad trade, you can have an even worse and wipe out your account. So one of the things to protect yourself is start taking profits and start cutting losses as fast as possible, okay? Trim profits on the way up, raise your stops, trade going up, okay? Trade going up. Let's see here. Let's suppose that you were playing this scalp, okay, and you bought the dip here. I didn't bought, okay, but suppose that you bought the dip here on the 8-day moving average, okay. Have your targets, have your levels, 8-day moving average. You bought the scalp. You go with the calls, play the scalp on this way up, okay. On this way up, you start trimming profits. Breaks above the descending channel, you start trimming profits and raise the stops. You have the stop here, you keep raising the stops, you keep raising the stops, you keep raising the stops, trim profits on the way. What will happen? Your stops got hit, but you came from here, okay? Who cares? wait for another setup and look for another setup. Okay, and that's why what I've been trying to implement every single day. I've been training for more than 12 years, and not easy, and learning every single day, but I never give up. Okay, never give up. And even after having bad days, you will, if you keep fighting and having a trading plan, having your process set, you will be able to generate very nice cash flow. Okay, with this said, video already too much extended. It's great to receiving the feedback that I'm receiving from some traders. We confess it's not easy, but the trading plan, the process, working very well, and Intel was one of those beauties today. VAC also from the trading plan worked very well, and many other names worked very well. So congratulations everyone. And now what? Now we go into tomorrow with open-minded. That's one of the things, and why one of the reasons I'm cash overnight is because I like to sleep well and not very worried what will happen tomorrow on the pre-market session. Okay, if the market opens up 2% or down 2%, for me it's the same. Okay, I don't care. I will trade what I see. Okay, not after today. Okay, after today, yes, we should expect. It was expectable. Okay, on a normal market, it would be expectable a move down. But, and what if 387 holds? It's kind of a double bottom, isn't it? It can be a double bottom. Why not? It can. I'm expecting that? No, but it can. But I don't want to pay to see. I prefer to be on the sidelines and wait. Tomorrow opens above. What will happen? Inside day, between today highs and lows, it will give more frustration to the traders, either longs and shorts. Is it going to open down, gap down, and go? And from there, where it will stop? I will see. I have my level 384. I will see holds 384, plays for the reversal bounce and goes to fill the gap at 387. What will happen? No clue. And that's why I'm mentally preparing and share with you some of the ideas for tomorrow. Okay, but I will adjust to the conditions that we have when the market opens. And from there, I will see where the money is flowing. Okay, it's going into the tech, it's going into small caps, it's going small caps all over the place. Okay, so heavily, heavily downside. And here on Monday, I tried to play for upside. Okay, and I got stopped out and stepped out of the way. It was the wise thing to do, because if I held for too long, what happened? I would be killed. So could I flip short? Yes, after the fact, once again, we are all a bunch of euros. But don't forget that yesterday LWM closed at lows and today gap up. Not easy at all. Could I have shorted the IWM? Yes, but I was heavy on Intel puts, so I already playing for downside, and I was heavy. And once again, I trade 1, 2, 3 trades. I have 1, 2, 3 trades at most open at the same time. Okay, that's my way to manage the risk. I've explained you that on the previous videos. That's my way. But if you are okay with having 5, 10 positions open at the same time, congratulations, you are a great portfolio manager. So manage your risk. Okay, but for me, I'm doing well with 1, 2, 3 trades open at the same time. And I played with IWM and I played with Tesla. I'm okay with that. Also, besides that, I got some shares because I was seeing for the possible AMWL for the bounce, and it actually gave here a bounce into the close. Get in, get out. Okay, actually down after hours. Not sure if any news or something like that. It's lower after hours. Market all over the place. Okay, market all over the place. Nike down. Lots of names are down, and so protect your cash is one of the things that I suggest you to do. So thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great evening. Relax, Forget the market. The market will be tomorrow, here tomorrow. So forget the market. Go relax. Go enjoy your time with your family and friends. Okay, stay safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.